What's going on, guys? I know it's been a minute. Seems like that's how it always is. It's just I post sporadic, post when I can. But life's been busy, work's been crazy. So I'm out here today. It's a little warm, but nonetheless, we're running running RC and burning nitro. So got the MGT 8.0 out, burning a few tanks through it off camera, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. Man, the thing's just an absolute tank. I love that truck so much. I don't know, it's one of those things. I don't understand why they discontinued it at all. I wish they would bring it back with some kind of like anniversary edition or something. That would be absolutely sick, but I doubt that's gonna happen, but we can all dream, I guess. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy this quick little run, and don't mind the every now and then you might hear it run a little lean, and that's just due to the fuel tank on that thing is just old. The O-rings are about shot, and it sucks a little air every now and then, but for the most part she runs pretty daggone good, especially for that old of a truck. And then the thing's got all kinds of power. It's all bone stock, but just out here ripping around the backyard and a little bit in the front yard and stuff. But let me know what you think. If you want to see it back on the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Uh-oh. What a beast, guys.
Oh, about out of fuel.
See how long we can ride one. Servo saver has loosened up on me. My steering's kind of went away. Can tighten that sucker back up.